Let's see who AGS are supporting in this FIFA World Cup.
England, it's coming home.
Portugal. USA.
Brazil. Turkey.
Germany. France.
Go Messi, Argentina.
So the World Cup shares many values that we do here at AGS about fair play, teamwork and respect. What do you think, Mr. Darren?
It's coming home.